Creative problem solving. Creative problem solving is one of the skills that employers view as most critical for future career success. It means that you have the capacity to address complex problems in new and innovative ways, and it is one of the applied creativity skills that we're teaching at IACT. In order to demonstrate creative problem-solving skills, you need to use both divergent and convergent thinking, apply an iterative process for testing and refining ideas, manage ambiguity, and identify patterns that might not be obvious. Using divergent and convergent thinking means generating lots of ideas and then applying a process to evaluate and narrow them down. For example, divergent thinking might look like setting a timer for 5 minutes and writing down as many possible uses for bubble wrap as you can. Convergent thinking then evaluates that list by sorting the results in order of usefulness or by some other criteria. Applying an iterative process means that you test your ideas in order to expand the range of potential solutions. Rather than assuming the first solution is the right one, you gather and integrate feedback to further refine your ideas. Managing ambiguity happens when we are faced with unexpected challenges and a future we cannot predict. Often, we find ourselves avoiding the unknown because of how uneasy it may make us feel. Someone who manages ambiguity effectively embraces those uncertainties and develops actionable strategies to approach them in the future. Lastly, identifying patterns happens when we are able to recognize commonalities among seemingly unrelated situations. You might be surprised at how many patterns you can find in subjects of interest that are seemingly unrelated. For instance, although NBA basketball and Philharmonic orchestras might seem like polar opposites, mapping and bundling the characteristics of each might help point out the common themes of teamwork, oneness, and composition. So remember, creative problem solving includes using divergent and convergent thinking, applying an iterative process, managing ambiguity, and identifying patterns. To learn more about creative problem solving and the other microcredentials being offered at IACT, visit udayton.edu/IACT.